Hi guys, here we are in the Nichesss products tool. Ideal if you sell any products online or offline for that matter. Let's jump in and see what I can do for us. So product descriptions, as you would expect. Product descriptions with emojis, ideal for posting on social media. Okay, and let's go down to the next one. Product paragraphs, how to use your products. And then we'll go down to product paragraphs problem solution. Ideal. The last two we can include in a blog post as well. Really, really useful. And then finally, we'll have our tagline generator. So business name, Phil's Marketing. Phil's my name and I like marketing. It's not a tagline I'll be using. Business and product keywords. Online marketing for small businesses. Small business. Short product description. We help businesses win with marketing. Okay. Name of the product, affordable SEO. So many companies have been burned by companies promising the world and they're not delivering, so they're really wary in the small business market. So present something that's acceptable and useful for them without them having to break the bank. Simple description of the product, SEO to get you new customers. Okay, problem, not getting enough customers. Okay, so let's just click on generate and see what Nichesss does for us. Okay, so another 60 seconds, which when you think about it is absolutely incredible what it's doing for us. If you look at my last generation, it gave us 19 suggestions in less than a minute. So, try and do this manually the way that we used to do it. It doesn't compare, guys. I believe that AI, artificial intelligence in marketing, is not going to be an option. It's going to be a requisite. You're going to need to do it. And this tool is absolutely fantastic for the smaller players, I believe. Anyway, product descriptions, SEO, search engine optimization. Our small business marketing packages will help you achieve your online marketing goals. Nice. Okay. SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's a process of increasing visibility of a website. I talk to clients and I still don't know what SEO is, smaller clients. And, they're being educated by these type of posts and their interest is being whetted to actually contact you and, start the conversation. If you're looking to market your business, we can help. We offer affordable SEO services for small businesses, concise and direct to the point. Okay, project description emojis. So we could use these on social media. Okay, affordable SEO has everything you need to win. Whether you need competitive analysis, PPC management, or consulting services, we've got your back. And a little, yep, we're sorted. Okay, that one we can't use. I mentioned before about 40% of the output is usable off the bat. 40% needs tweaking. 20% is either for brainstorming or for the trash can. That one's for the trash can, I think, guys. So, okay, let's see what. You'll be getting an amazing deal on our digital marketing services when you hire us. It'll be so cheap, you'll think you are robbing us. I'd tweak that one. Don't like the word cheap, but it's got some mileage in it. Product paragraphs, how to use it. There are a lot of online marketing strategies that are currently being used in the market today. One of these strategies is SEO, and it goes on. Product paragraphs, problem solution. Most small businesses realize that they need to be online to get customers. However, most of them do not realize that they need to have the right online marketing approach to get the right customers, and it goes on. Small businesses are the backbone of the US economy, UK economy, Indian economy. They are the backbone of most economies. However, for small businesses to thrive, they need to get the business from somewhere. Okay, absolutely brilliant. This is a fill in the blanks one, guys. Okay, product, business, tagline generators, a different way of thinking. We know how to market your business. It's our business to win yours. Okay, I like that one. That could be really tweaked quite nicely, that one. And again, guys, if you like these, but you want to generate some more, just click on add more. Tweak one of the input boxes, and that's it, guys. Let Nichesss do its job. You're not burning credits because you've got unlimited credits, and it's fantastic. Any questions, give me a shout. That's all I've got for you on products, guys, and have a great day. And we'll move on to the next section ASAP.